people remark that my music is, they enjoy watching me because I play with passion. And that's exactly what I do. I was taught by my first teacher that people are more interested in seeing a performer play with passion than they are seeing them play with perfect technique, and because that leaves them cold. Yeah, it's somebody's got brilliant technique, that's wonderful, but if you don't feel anything when you're listening to my music or theirs, then you walk away with nothing. But if people feel something from my music because I'm playing with passion, that's what I'm wanting them to feel. I'm wanting them to connect to my music. Well, really, it's connect to the source. It's connect to the creator, and that's what my music does. It helps people connect with the source of creation.
Sister, take my hand and we will walk this magic land together.
My life's purpose is to learn to love myself. But I have a fun time playing music, and my medicine is my music. When I perform, I connect with the source of creation, the creator of all that is, on a good day. And if I can do that, and somebody else is watching and paying attention, that can come out my heart and go to their heart, and they can connect too. And then we can both be connected at the same time. And that's a very powerful connection. And that's a healing connection.